Hey y'all, it's Tamara Michelle. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys have been well. So today I'm going to try to do some pantry organization, you guys. So thank you guys so much for clicking on this channel. I really appreciate it. I hope you guys are doing well. If you're new here, welcome. And if you're not new, thank you so much for coming back for another video. Our pantry is small, so the storage is limited. So this is what I've got going on. So we went to the store. Not all of this was in the pantry. It's some other random stuff too that I just need to put away. So I've got all this stuff. I just pulled this out the pantry. Got this stuff came from the store. This stuff I pulled out. Some of this stuff we just bought. I pulled all this stuff out, pulled all this stuff out, this stuff, and I've still got all of this in here. And I've got stuff up here. So it's really small, but I'm gonna try to get it organized as best I can. So let's get into it. So I've gotten everything out, just gotta get the smoothie bottle from up top. So I'm gonna clean the shelves. Here's a look at everything that I got out. This is definitely gonna be a task for such a small pantry. So let's see if I can get it all in a more organized way. Okay, so what I think I'm gonna do first is try to organize all like items. That way I'll know what I'm working with. And then also, because I didn't go out and buy any more storage bins, this way when I put everything in and I organize it, then I can have an idea of what storage bins that I want to purchase. So all right, so I've got noodles. These are rices and the packed beans. Which put these together. Set my rice. Okay, and I've got box goods right here, rice and stuff like that. I've got some bag beans, bag rice. These are all the canned goods. And these are expired. I'm gonna get rid of some miscellaneous stuff right here. Seasonings, some baking powder. These are all like extras, sauces and stuff. I've got croutons and bacon bits. Got sugars right here, oils. I've got kid snack cakes and popcorn. Just some random stuff, extra coffee. This is like tuna packs and seasoning packs, over here, some random stuff. Popcorn seasoning for the kids. Pop-Tarts. Macaroni. Pop-Tarts, Cheez-Its, noodles, crackers, and oatmeal. And then I hadn't even gotten to the breads yet. These are all the breads, and then cookies. Cereal still down here, all the chips, extra sodas. So honestly, I'm feeling a little overwhelmed. I don't even know where to begin to start putting this stuff. So it may be a lot of putting stuff in, taking stuff out. The storage bins, I'm not going to be able to put all of them in there. While they help keep it together, they kind of took up a lot of space. So some of them I may use for easy access for the kids, some of their snacks and stuff. But other stuff, I'm not going to be able to use. So I've already had an idea of things that, you know, some storage ideas that I want to buy for the pantry. Yeah, and then I'm also probably going to get a riser for the canned goods so I can, you know, make better use out of the space. So right now I'm just going to try to get it in and organized. I also forgot to mention all this water. Yeah. So my thought with that is, and like the sodas, is to utilize this space down here. It's not huge, but I'm figuring that I could possibly take some of them out, and then I can also put some up here. So we'll see, because I kind of wanted to keep this space down here for like the veggies, like potatoes, big items like that, but I'm not sure how it's gonna work, so we'll just work through it. So this is what it looks like so far. That stuff up there. So we'll just have to, I think, extra sugars back here, oils, and, you know, noodles, mac and cheese and stuff right here. So yeah, this is what it looks like so far. So I took a break and went to Dollar Tree, and I saw these cute bins. They're really cute. But I really don't know what to do now. So this is what it's looking like, which I like it, but I didn't like all the different colors and types of bins. It was like a puzzle piece, like really. So I'm just gonna try a few out to see if I like it. If not, when I come back, it'll be the end result, either like this still or with the gray bins. All right, here we are, y'all. I decided to go ahead and change out some of the bins for the gray ones. I think it made a huge difference. Show y'all where everything is up here. All right, so up here I've just got rice and stuff like that, the box stuff that I originally had up here. And this one was much bigger, so it held more items. And then I still have like the sugar that's opened and like grits, brown sugar, some baking stuff up here. And then of course in this container is all those rices that I had in that other container there. Canned goods stayed in the same place. I changed out the bin and I went ahead and just condensed it with seasonings and the little packets of tuna. That's fine, it's not gonna bother me too bad for now. I kept this gray bin back here. It still has the beans, rice, packs of rice, and just little knickknacks like croutons and stuff like that. I changed out this bin, the other bin for this one. It held more and it all fit in here. So just got some extra sauces, syrups, dressings and stuff in there. And then back here, I kept the big bread basket. It held more. So I've just got buns down here, tortillas, rolls, some like barbecue breads that we really won't use a whole lot right now. And then I've got just the regular sandwich breads here and a few buns right here for sandwiches. Just easy access. I put the noodles in this bin. I've got to go and get some more of these. They're really cute. And then I put like kids oatmeal Pop-Tarts back here. And originally I had a dilemma with the Pop-Tart boxes because I didn't realize that they don't label them. And Jalen and Joshua, they don't always agree on the same types of things that they like. So one was like the brown sugar and cinnamon and the other was strawberry. So I wanted to take them out the pack, but they aren't labeled. So I just took a Sharpie and labeled them. So that was an easy fix. So I've got just the box stuff back here. And of course this can change, but I just like having everything organized. So put popcorn in here, extra fruit cups right here, candies right here. And let's see, back here I have all the kids' snack cakes, chips. We buy so many chips. Like chips is what's the hardest thing for me to try to organize. I may have to get like some bins or something for them to go in. And this is just miscellaneous stuff, the popcorn seasonings, some dessert, mug desserts or whatever, some Kool-Aid, and then the kids' cereal. And then I just tucked away all the water and the sodas down here. So that is it for this video, you guys. Thank you so much for coming along with me as I took on this journey of small pantry organization. I hope for those of you who may also have a small pantry, this gave you just a little bit of help or some ideas on how you can organize it a little bit better. I'm so happy how it turned out. It works for now, so we'll see along the way. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. And if you are not subscribed, I would love for you to subscribe and join me over here. So this will just start some of the organization series that I want to try to start on this channel. I have a lot of other areas, closets, drawers that need to be organized and just to be used more efficiently and just to get rid of some stuff. So look for videos like that on this channel as well. So thank you guys. I hope y'all are safe and blessed. I hope you have the most amazing week, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye y'all.